Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my students. How are you all? I hope you are going good. Welcome to Hamdat Public School PCHS campus online classes. As you know that this is our 5th day of online classes, and alhamdulillah online classes were going very good, and the response of the parents is very nice. They are satisfied with the teachers and the studies, and due to their comfort, as I also recorded the online class video on YouTube, so you can go and take a review of your homework and classwork from our YouTube channel. It will be suitable for those who were not online on time due to the public power failure or some net issue, so they can easily go to the YouTube link and see their video, so the all students will not miss their lesson. They can easily go to the YouTube video link and get their everyday lessons for their children. So you can subscribe our Hamdat Public School and press the notification button, so you get all the notifications at what time the Hamdat Public School uploaded their videos and etc. Okay, now I hope you are all going good and your weekend were not so good because you are still in home, so it would be better for us to stay at home, stay safe. And what about your studies going? Have you done with the homework? So first show me your homework, then I will start with the circle time. Okay, let me start first with the circle time. And as you all know that first of all we have to do the 1000 tasmiyah. So we have to recite 1000 tasmiyah first. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Okay ji, after 1000 tasmiyah we have the recitation of Surah Ham, Surah Ikhlas and Surah Asr. As Surah Asr is included in your Islamiyat books, and it will be covered by this month, inshallah. We will cover this surah, and on daily basis we will recite Surah Asr as well. And after the recitation of surahs we have Pehla and Dusra Kalma, as Dusra Kalma is included in your syllabus of this month. Okay, after Pehla Kalma and Dusra Kalma we have some Masnoon Dua. As you see in this picture, we have Khane ke baad ki dua, Khane se pehle ki dua, Doodh peene ki dua and Safar ki dua. As you all know that students, we have covered the Khane se pehle ki dua and Khane ke baad ki dua and Doodh peene ki dua. Safar ki dua we will start very soon because it's quite too long, so it will take some time to recite and learn. Okay, don't worry, we will get it on next month or even after this next month. So okay, after this surah and Masnoon Dua we have some GK questions, as I mentioned in this paper. As you see that we have what is the name of a country, some quite small questions related to a country. For example, what is the capital, or who's the founder, what is the name of a country, what is the national game, or what is the national language, etc. Okay, then we have theme of the month. In this month we have covered the my body parts. As you all know that I've already discussed the two body parts in the first week. The first is nose and the second is eyes. In today's lesson we are discussing two more body parts. Okay, we are discussing two more body parts. The one is the one is lips and the second is ears. Okay, here are the picture of our third body part, that is ear. As you all can see that ear is known by every single person or every single child, that is considered for hearing something, This is the sense of hearing. As you all know that we have 5 senses. So we have covered the sense of smell and sense of sight. This is the third. So I am talking about the ear. When I say touch your ear, so you can go and touch your ear with your finger. That indicates that you know what is ear. Okay, through ear we can hear sounds, as your mamas call you, or the sound of the drum, piano, or sound of anything, sound of shouting, and your mamas and babas call you, come here, do this work, do this work, or do your homework, etc. Listen to me, give me the glass of water. So all this work done by your ear. Okay. Okay, our another body part is lips. As you see that lips, and inside lips we have teeth. How many teeth do we have? We have 32 teeth. Okay, approximately. So I'm talking about teeth. Teeth is a very useful part of our body parts. You know, through teeth, or we can chewing our food, we can bite, we can cut through our teeth, and inside teeth we have tongue. As you all know that tongue will be useful to taste our food. Through tongue we got to know the fourth sense, that is sense of taste. Through tongue we can taste many. If I said touch your teeth, you can touch your teeth. So I got to know that you know what is teeth. If I say touch your tongue, you can touch your tongue. As you all know that I have mentioned that touch your tongue, and tongue is through our tongue you can able to differentiate between the bitter and the sour taste. As you all know that bitter किसे कहते हैं? Bitter कहते हैं कड़वे को, और sour कहते हैं खट्टे को. And what about the sweets? You can also taste sweets, then you can recognize which taste is it. Sweets कहते हैं मीठे को. So as you all know that we can have ears for hearing and tongue for taste. Okay, after body parts we have some poems. Okay, we have some English poem, and we will also have some Urdu poems in English. In this month we covered 4 poems. One is Twinkle Twinkle, NCNC, Teddy Bear, and Head and Shoulders. Head and Shoulders is basically and mainly for this month, because it's based on the body parts, and our theme of the month is body parts. And in Urdu we have the Mote Mote Haath. Why we are talking again about the body parts? So I will include this poem. Okay, अब बुलाए मोटर कार और बिल्ली मैंने पाली है. Okay students. Okay students, now get ready for the board lessons. As you can see in this alphabet sound chart, we have capital and as well as the small alphabets. In today's lesson we take a quick review of the letter sound O. And what is the sound of letter sound O? It's O. And what is the related vocabulary related to O? O orange, O octopus, O ostrich, and O octagon. As you see that, what is the formation of O? O is round and round. Very good. Okay, open your copies. This is your English phonic practice copy 2A. Open it and do page number 10. Which page number you have to do in classwork? Page number 10. This is page number 10, in which we have the vocabulary of O is octopus. O octopus. Make sure you have to do one line. Start with the point and end with the line. This is page number 10. This is your classwork. And this is page number 11. This is your homework. In this page you have the related vocabulary ostrich or ostrich. Okay, Page number 10 is your homework and page number 11 is your, page number 10 is your classwork and page number 11 is your homework. Okay, this is your maths copy, number practice copy, and we have, yesterday we have done with the page number 13 and 14, and today we have to do the page number 15 and 16. It's a quick revision of the number 2. 2 is round and set down. In homework you have to do page number 15 and 16, and kindly do practice of writing number 2 in your rough copy as well. So you have a command to write 2. And this is your number concept series 2. Open page number 9. Sorry. Okay, this is page number 9 of your book. As you can see, this is 3. The formation of 3 is round and round. What is the formation of 3? 3 is round and round. As you can see that there are 3 elephants, 1, 2 and 3. 3 is round and round. Today I am only giving the introduction of number 3. From tomorrow we have some exercise related to number 3 in the copy, in the number practice copy. But for today we have only tracing of number 3 in book. Okay, this is your classwork, and your homework is page number 15 and 16 of your copy. Okay, now we take a quick review of the shapes, circle and square. In the last week we have covered with the circle, and this week you have to cover with the square. As you can see, the circle is round and round like O, and the square has 4 equal sides. The square has 4 equal sides. In the rough copy, I want you to make small squares, big square, so we can differentiate between the big and the small as well, and then you know how to make the square. Tomorrow we will do the small activity of circle and square, in which we do the colors as well. Okay, so be ready for it, and take one extra pencil colors, and a paper and a piece of paper in which we can draw the circle and the square. Okay class, after maths we have the Urdu class. फर्स्ट वीक में हम हुरूफ तहजी अलिफ पढ़ चुके हैं. अब इस वीक में हमने बे स्टार्ट किया है. बे का साउंड जो होता है वो बा होता है, और इससे रिलेटेड वोकैबुलरी अभी हम रीड करते हैं. ये आपकी किताब है, मेरी उर्दू की किताब. इसमें सफ़ा नंबर 2 जो है उसमें बे के बारे में बताया गया है. उससे रिलेटेड वोकैबुलरी की तस्वीर भी दी गई है, जो कि ये है. मेरे साथ पढ़िए. बा बाल्टी, बा बंदर, बा बिल्ली, बा बस्ता, बा बैंगन. ओके, ये आपका कायदा है. आओ कायदा पढ़ें. इसमें भी सफ़ा नंबर 2 है. इसमें बे से रिलेटेड पिक्चर्स हमारे पास बनी हुई हैं, जो कि हमें बता रही हैं कि बे से क्या क्या चीज़ें शुरू होती हैं. आइए ये सभी देखते हैं. जैसे कि आप इस तस्वीर में देख रहे हैं, हमारे पास बा पत्ता, बा बकरा, बा बैंगन, बा बंदर. दोबारा से पढ़िए. बा पत्ता, बा बकरा, बा बंदर, बा बैंगन. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, ये थी हमारी बे से रिलेटेड वोकैबुलरी. अब हम आते हैं अपने काम की तरफ. ये आपकी है उर्दू की अमली किताब, जिसे हम कॉपी भी कह सकते हैं. इसका पेज नंबर 9 ओपन कीजिए. पेज नंबर 9 में आपको ब की ट्रेसिंग करनी है. जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, کہ ہمیں پوائنٹ سے شروع کرنا ہے اور ٹریس کرتے ہوئے رائٹ کرتے ہوئے ہمیں لائن تک لے کر آنا ہے. اور با کے نیچے ایک نقطہ. با کے نیچے کتنے نقطے ہوتے ہیں؟ با کے نیچے ایک نقطہ. اور جب آپ با لکھ رہے ہوں تو اس سے ریلیٹڈ آپ کے ذہن میں جو بھی آئے وہ آپ بولتے رہا کریں، جیسے کہ با بستر، با بلہ، با بندہ، با بندر، با بکرا. یہ بہت ساری چیزیں ہیں آپ کے ارد گرد جو کہ با سے شروع ہوتی ہیں. کل میں آپ لوگوں سے پوچھوں گی کہ آپ کے ارد گرد ایسی کون سی چیزیں ہیں جو با سے شروع ہوتی ہیں. بک سے ہٹ کے ووکیبلری آپ مجھے بتائیں گے. یہ آپ کی مشق ہے، یہ اس کو آپ کو تیاری کرنی ہے. اور اردو کی عملی کتاب کا صفحہ نمبر 9 جو ہے وہ آپ کا کلاس ورک ہے، اور صفحہ نمبر 10 جو ہے وہ آپ کا ہوم ورک ہے. ٹھیک ہے اسٹوڈنٹس؟ جی اسٹوڈنٹس، ہم لوگوں نے اپنا انگلش، اردو، میتھس کور کر لیا ہے. اس سے ریلیٹڈ ہوم ورک، کلاس ورک بھی میں نے آپ کو بتا دیا ہے. انشاءاللہ in the morning when we have the class, first I will check the homework, then I will continue with another work. okay? جیسا کہ آپ کو آج میں نے ایک کہانی سنائی تھی ہمارے پیارے نبی کے اوپر اسلامیت میں، تو وہ آپ پلیز وہ کہانی اپنے ذہن میں ایک دفعہ ریوائز کیجیے گا. تو اس سے ریلیٹڈ جو آج میں نے کویشچنس کیے تھے کل میں پھر کروں گی تاکہ آپ لوگوں کو کویشچنس اینڈ آنسرس لرن ہو جائیں. ٹھیک ہے؟ سو سائننگ آؤٹ فرام مائی سائڈ. بی سیف اینڈ بی اسٹے ایٹ ہوم. اوکے، سی یو انشاءاللہ ٹمارو. اللہ حافظ.